Thanks for visiting Crawl Zone 207. Today we are going to take the first flight with the new Mavic Mini. Thanks for visiting our channel. My name is Brandy, and today we'll be discussing the new Mavic Mini, the DJI Fly app, and taking our first flight. First, I'd like to discuss the other option that you do get with the Mavic Mini Fly More kit. I didn't discuss this in the first video because that was more of just a review of the Mavic Mini. When you're a first-time flyer, you want to add these propeller guards on. This will allow you, if you do crash your drone or you happen to hit a hard surface or a tree, it will do less damage on your Mavic Mini. They clip on very, very easily. There's two little clips on each side. They just clip on and they're very, very sturdy. I suggest using them, especially if you're a first-time flyer. To turn on your Mavic Mini, you are going to click once, click twice, and hold. And as you can see, the gimbal is moving, the propellers move, and it's all set. Same with the controller. Your power button is right here. Click once, click twice, and hold. And this will start up, and then it will connect right to your Mavic Mini. So let's get right into the app and look at our settings so we can get this up in the air. Okay, so this is what your screen is going to first look like when you turn on your Mavic Mini and your app. You notice in the left-hand corner we have mode P, which is position, S, which is sport, and C, which is cinema smooth. Now we're going to go right into the settings. First is safety. Leave your max altitude and max distance the same. I do recommend you return to home altitude to put that up for the highest item that's around you, trees, telephone poles, that sort of thing. Make sure that it goes above when it's returning home. And this has to be set when the drone is flying. Now, as you can see, we're in CineSmooth flight mode. I use Imperial because I'm in the US. Follow mode is great for the gimbal. And then we're going to go into advanced gimbal settings. Now your pitch and speed and smoothness, now you can play with those. That will adjust how fast the gimbal moves up and down and left and right. And you'll find your setting that you would usually like. And also allow upward gimbal rotation so you can get more of a picture. Advanced camera settings, histogram, you can use it. That tells you your white balance. Grid lines, I recommend the one in the middle or the one on the end. Anti-flicker is fine. The video subtitles you really don't need, and cache when recording I usually put to 2 gigabytes. So we're going to back out of the advanced camera settings and go to transmission. The transmission page is how many satellites you have and the stability of them. Now where I'm indoors, I'm showing 2 red, and that's normal. The About tab is where you can check for updates, and also your FlySafe database you can check for updates as well. As you can see, we have an update, and for the purpose of this video I am just going to speed up through it. It took about 15 minutes. Okay, now that we have discussed the app and everything is all set up, we're going to go outside. Give me a few minutes and I'll be right back with you.